Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Grishma. I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today is my subject about operating system, and the topic is develop a C program to stimulate bankers algorithm for deadlock avoidance. Introduction to bankers algorithm. The bankers algorithm is a deadlock avoidance algorithm used in operating systems to manage the allocation of multiple resources to multiple processes. It ensures the system will not enter a state where it cannot proceed due to resource allocation conflicts. Developed by A.J. Disker in 1965. Overview of deadlock. Deadlock occurs in a system when processes are unable to proceed because each process is holding on to resources that are needed to another process. Deadlock can lead to a system freeze and a complete halt in progress. Banker's algorithm is designed to prevent deadlock by carefully managing resource allocation. Basic concepts of Banker's algorithm. The Banker's algorithm works by keeping track of the available resource, maximum resource each process can request, allocated resource to each process and need to each process. It is uses a safety algorithm to determine if granting a resource request will result in safe status. If a safe state exists, the resource request is granted. Otherwise, the process must wait. As we see in the image, what I have been told now. Data structure for Banker's algorithm. In C programming, the Banker's algorithm can be implemented using arrays to represent the available maximum allocated and need resource. An additional array is used to keep track the unfinished state of each process. This array are essential for calculating the safe sequence of resource allocations. Initializations of Banker's algorithm. The first step in implementing the Banker's algorithm is to initialize the arrays with the available maximum allocated and need resource. The finished array should be initialized to false for all process. This sets the initial state of the system before resource requests are made. Safety algorithm in Banker's algorithm. The safety algorithm in Banker's algorithm checks if it is safe to grant a resource request to a process. It simulates the allocation of resource to process and checks the system can reach a safe state. If a safe sequence is found, the resource request is granted. Otherwise, the process must wait. Resource request and bank algorithm. When a process requests additional resource, the banker's algorithm checks if granting the request will lead to a safe state. If the request can be granted without causing a deadlock, the resources are allocated to the process. If the request cannot be granted safely, the process must wait until resource become implementing banker's algorithm in C. To implement the banker's algorithm in C, you need to create function for resource request. Resource releases the checking for safe state. The data structure representing resource and process should be defined using arrays. The main function should stimulate resource request and allocation to test the algorithms. Sample code snippet for Banker's algorithm. Here is a simplified code showing the implementation of Banker's algorithm in C. This code demonstrates how it to initialize resource check for a safe state and grant resource request. It is important to handle edge cases and error condition in the code to ensure the proper functioning. Testing and debugging Banker's algorithm. Testing the Banker's algorithm involves simulating various resource allocation scenarios to verify its correctness. Debugging is essential to identify and fix any issues in the implementation that could lead to incorrect resource allocations. Through testing ensures that the algorithm effectively avoids the deadlock stimulations. Advantages of debugging algorithm. Banker's algorithm is effective in preventing deadlock by carefully managing resource allocations. It ensures the process can request and realize the resource in the controlled manner without leading to deadlock. The algorithm is widely used in operating system to maintain system stimulating. Limitations of Banker's algorithm. Banker's algorithm and knowledge of maximum resource. Each process can request which may not always be known. The algorithm assumes that the resource requests are static and do not change dynamically, which may not always be the cases. In systems with frequent resource requests and realize the algorithm may be less efficient. And next, real world application of Banker's algorithm. Banker's algorithm is used to operating the system to manage resource allocation and prevent deadlock. It is commonly employed in multi-user system where multiple process computer for shared resource. The algorithm plays a crucial role in maintaining system stability and preventing resource conflicts. So next is future developments in deadlock avoidance. Researchers are exploring new deadlock avoidance algorithm that can handle dynamic resource requests more efficient. Machine learning techniques are being used to predict resource demands and used to predict resource optimize resource allocation in real time. The evolution of computing systems may require new approaches to deadlock avoidance to address emergence challenges. And the last, we can come to the conclusion what is deadlock algorithm and Banker's algorithm is what is mean about it. Banker's algorithm is powerful tool for avoiding deadlock in operating system by managing resource allocations. Understanding the principle and implementation of algorithm is essential for the developers and the programs. By utilizing deadlock avoidance techniques like the Banker's algorithm, system can operate more efficiently and reliability. Thank you for watching the video. I hope so that the video is helpful to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.